Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you know that if someone blocked you on Kakaotalk app. So at first, just go to the Kakaotalk app. Now just go to the conversation that you want to know if he blocked you or not. Now type some messages. And beside the message, here you can see one is showing. If the one wasn't showing to you, that means he blocked you. You can check another thing. Just go back and try to call him. If you attempt to make a call to the person and if he blocked you, it will not go through. And if you want to search for the person in the search bar, you cannot search for the person because he blocked you. So guys, that's how you can know that if someone blocked you or not. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.